Hello there. So as you can see, I am facing this problem. So this download isn't happening on my Adobe Premiere Pro. So I will show you how you can fix this problem. So you can see right now it's not happening. It's downloading, just not going anywhere. So it's simply shows loading, not working at all. Let me show you how to fix this problem. First, go to your Windows, search for Microsoft Store. Then from here you just search Adobe Creative Clouds, install, wait for it. So just wait for the installation, and I will show you how you can fix this problem. So now as you can see, this is the Creative Cloud app. You just have to log into your account. If you don't have one, just create one account. Now what we have to do is close Premiere Pro. All right, just close Premiere Pro from everywhere. Now you need to load the same project again. All right, before closing it, just remember to save it. I'm going to load the same project. Let me load the project. As you can see, guys, it's started downloading. So you just have to install this app, and as you can see, it's started resuming the process again. So just wait some time. There we go. All right. Okay, so I think the process is done. Let's find out. Yeah, all right, so I have captions on my video now. All right, so yeah, that's it. So yeah, hope this video helpful, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.